everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have my update for Supernatural Pan Interrupted. This is a project that I created back in 2018 when I created it in early 2018. We started it in August of 2018, August 19th to be exact. I am a big Supernatural fan. I'm sad that it is off the air now, but this project was started while it was still on the air. Yeah, it's been going that long. And I am panning a product for every single episode that has ever aired of all 15 seasons. And there's a bunch of people that have joined in. They're going to be listed down below. Each product, each episode, each product has a different goal for it. Some things are to finish, some are for usage. You know, it's all like some hit pan, all different usage goals. And yeah, it's going to take a long time, and especially when I'm trying to hit pan on a lot of things or finish a lot of things, and that's why some of them are just for usage, which is a good thing. It's a good thing for me. So we are doing 6 episodes at a time. Just once you finish an episode, you roll that out, roll in the very next episode in line, and pick a product for that, set your goal for that product, so on and so forth. And I have a rollout, which is an actual empty this time. It's actually the oldest episode that I have currently in my lineup, which is kind of cool. This is from season 4. The episode is Death Takes a Holiday. I went literal with that and I picked something with holiday packaging. This was the Bath & Body Works Vanilla Bean Noel Body Cream. I really like this and it smells so stinking good. I don't know why I'm trying to put this back in, but yeah, I enjoyed the heck out of it. Cut it open, got every last little bit out of there. The inside, like, I was surprised that it was this kind of a yellowy green color in there. It just wasn't what I was expecting. But yeah, she done, because it's not normally that short. It's normally much, much bigger. But I kind of wish I had some more of this. But I think I have it. I think my husband got me some of this in the lotion form for Christmas. I definitely prefer the cream, but I do like the lotions in the warmer months. But the creams, I gotta have the creams in the cold months. So I'm happy and sad to see that one go, but I'm always happy to get through another product and another episode. All right, the rest of them are continuing on because I have not met my goal. The first one is for the episode Jump the Shark, and I chose the Revlon nail polish in Cardshark, playing on the word shark there, and I'm trying to get 3 uses out of it. I have used it once since the last update, and I am now up to 2 uses, so I need 1 more use, which I think I can get in this next month, because, you know, once a month, I think I'm okay with that. Next up is Lucifer Rising, and for that episode, they are breaking more of the 66 seals. If you watch the show, you will understand about the 66 seals. I actually, when I brought this body souffle in from Philosophy, the Mandarin Mimosa, I actually broke the seal on it and opened it live, or recorded, I should say. But I'm making progress on this one finally. Now that I finished this guy, I'm working on this guy. It smells so good. I don't know if you're going to be able to see the progress in this, but I have been weighing it. It did start at 530 grams. It's down to 444 grams. And I have only been using this, I want to say, like a week and a half. So I think progress is really going to start picking up on this one. I like it, and it's like a nice consistency for this time of year. All right, moving on to Good God, Y'all. That is the episode where Castiel is cut off from heaven. So I went with like heaven from the title and the importance of heaven in this particular episode and being cut off from it. And I went with the Bare Minerals Heavenly Diamond. My goal is to use this 10 times, and I've only used it 4 so far. I don't know if I used it since the last update because I've been using so many eyeshadows, trying to get some of them like to goal and rolled out so that I have less eyeshadows that I have to play with at one time. All right, moving on to the next episode, Free to Be You and Me, and that in that episode, Sam decides that he wants to stop hunting. Again, you have to understand the the TV show to understand the whole concept of hunting. It has nothing to do with, you know, hunting for deer or rabbits or anything like that. Nothing at all. So I went with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I chose Hunts, and I am attempting to hit pan on this. I have used it a few times since the last update. I'm getting more and more of a dip, but you'll notice on the side it is cracking some, so whenever those little pieces crack, I use that instead of working where the dip started. So I may end up, depending on how this continues to crack and how I have to continue to use it, I may not actually get pan in the center. It may be on the edge, depending, you know, just depending on what that shadow wants to do. It is on the older side, so it is drier, which I could refresh if I wanted to repress it with some jojoba oil, but then I would lose the progress that I made, and I don't want to do that. So I'm just going to keep using it how it is, and you know, if it crumbles, it crumbles, and I'll just use the crumbles. All right, next is The End. And in that episode, they are in the future where there's zombies. It's never good to have the zombie apocalypse. And so I went on the whole zombie theme, which those are, like, I guess, dead that are unearthed and come up and come back alive, and I'm not a zombie person at all, but I went with that part of the theme, and I chose this shade right here. This is from Laura Geller, of course, to Potted, and that is Unearthed. That is what it's called. My goal is to use this 10 times. I've used it 3 times so far. Got a lot of browns that I am working on right now, so kind of split in time with that. So I still have 7 more uses to get done on that, and I am going to really try to work on getting that the 7 uses in before the next update, because I would like to make sure that I have a rollout and a roll in every single update for you. All right, so I do have to roll something in, and this episode, it's seriously in one of my favorites. Like, I have a handful of actually probably more than a handful of favorites episodes, and this is definitely one of them. Season 5 was a very good season, and I specifically like the campy episodes. Like, I like all of them, but the campy ones, they just, I don't know. It's a little snarky sometimes when you get these campy episodes, and I think that's why I like it. This one is Fallen Idols, and in this particular episode, it has Paris Hilton, and she's kicking some booty. she kicks some booty. That's all I'm gonna say. And it's funny. It absolutely cracks me up. First of all, that they have Paris Hilton in it, but that she's kicking some butt. So, in honor of having Paris Hilton in this episode, and she was like an integral part of this episode, I have chosen the, pardon me, the ColourPop glitter gel, and that's hot. I mean, could it be more perfect for a Paris Hilton episode? It is a beautiful, like, peachy pink glitter, and my goal is to use this 5 times. It is going to be hard to use this because it's not something I can wear on my eyes all the time. There are some big glitters in this one. I mean, it's pretty, but there's multi sizes, but there are some really big glitters in there. So, like, I will use it on my eyes, but I like in the summertime to put it like on my shoulders or my collarbones. Like, I feel like I'm so bundled up because it's so cold right now, and it's going to be harder to use or to get all of my uses in, since I can't, like, use it on my body, because then it would cover up, and that kind of defeats the purpose of it. But I am going to attempt to get 5 uses on. That's hot. And, you know, enjoy it, because I'm going to giggle every single time I use that, because the episode makes me laugh, but the fact that it's, you know, that particular product for this episode. All right, I am, like, laughing to myself. Nobody else probably gets the humor in this but me. It's okay. I'm enjoying it, and that's really all that matters. I am going to wrap this up, but definitely go check out everyone else that has joined in. If you have joined in or would like to join in, let me know, and I will put you down in the description box so other people can find you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.